Hi, welcome to Learning Excel VBA Essentials. So in this course, you'll be learning Excel VBA, but first we need to open our Microsoft Office Excel to get started. To do that, okay, it's very simple. It's as per normal how you open Microsoft Excel. Okay, Programs, Office, and Excel 2003. I'm using 2003, but the principles that we learn in this course will be applicable to also 2007 and 2010, and I believe in the further Excel versions to come, because it's all the same principles. Okay, so this is our Excel application, which you are very familiar with, which we have our worksheets, different tabs, our cells, okay, and we can key in values. So all these are very familiar to you, but what might not be is that you can actually use programming in Excel. So although Excel is basically a spreadsheet program, but it is also a tool for Visual Basic applications programming, which means that what you see in software, you can actually do this in Excel as well, using the programming language called Excel VBA, Visual Basic. So you can do things like financial modeling or some simple calculators or formulas. Okay, so this is what we will show you. Okay, so now first, to get into the Visual Basic editor, which is where we enter the code, okay, you can press alternate 11. Okay, alternate 11, and what you see here is the Visual Basic editor. So let me just guide you through how to look at this screen. So on the top left hand side over this area, what you have is the Project Explorer, where the project that which we are currently opening now is VBA Project Book 2. Alright, so this is actually the same name as the file that we have, Book 2. So under Book 2, we have 3 different sheets, which corresponds to 3 sheets here. Okay, so 3 different sheets. Okay, and if let's say we just click on any of them, okay, so what you see on the right side here, this is actually the code window where we can actually enter the code. Okay, and on your bottom left, this is a properties window where we can edit some of the properties over here. Okay, and of course we have the close button on your top right, and we have the VBA help feature, okay, where you can enable it anytime by pressing the F1 key. Okay, F1 key, and then you can go to the help section. So to summarize, the most important area is the top left over here, our Project Explorer, okay, and our right hand side, the code window, where we will enter our codes in VBA very soon. Yeah, so this is a quick guide to getting started. This is where you enter all your code later on. Yeah.